You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but sometimes confusing words, including from Arabic, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In British English and in English in general, it is generally pronounced as Muslim, Muslim, stress on the first syllable, Muslim, although in American English in the US it is often pronounced as Muslim, Muslim. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.